Welcome back. This week, we explore an often overlooked side to psoriasis, mental health and psoriasis, coping beyond the physical symptoms. When we think of psoriasis, we often think of what we can see: red patches, flaking skin, itching. But what about what we don't see? Psoriasis isn't just a skin condition, it's an emotional condition. It's the silent sting of rejection, it's the constant self awareness in a crowded room. It's the invisible burden of carrying your story without always having the words to tell it. Here's the part most people don't see: the silent weight psoriasis places on your mental health. It's not just the stares or the questions, it's the little things. Cancelling plans when a flare hits, spending hours covering up just to feel normal in public, that quiet dread before summer or a work event or even a date, because you're not sure how someone will react to your skin. This constant awareness, it builds up, and if it's not acknowledged, it can spiral into anxiety, low self-worth, or even depression. Studies have shown that people with moderate to severe psoriasis are more likely to experience mental health conditions, but often they suffer in silence. That's why it's so important to talk about this side of the disease. The emotional scars are real and they deserve just as much attention as the physical symptoms. If you're watching this and nodding along, know this: your feelings are valid, and it's okay to ask for help, whether it's a therapist, a support group, or even a trusted friend. Opening up is a strength, not a weakness. And if no one said this to you today, you're doing better than you think, and you deserve peace, not just in your skin, but in your mind. Isolation is one of the cruelest side effects of psoriasis. It can convince you that you're better off hiding, staying home, covering up, keeping quiet. But isolation feeds loneliness, and loneliness fuels depression. What many people don't realize is that mental health struggles with psoriasis are not a side issue. They are a core part of living with the disease. Ignoring them means ignoring a major part of the healing process. Coping with psoriasis means coping beyond the physical. It means finding strength not just in treatment, but in community, compassion, and self-acceptance. Here are some truths. You are not alone. Your feelings are valid, and help is available. Therapy can help. Support groups can help. Really talking to someone who understands can lighten the load you thought you had to carry alone. Mental health care isn't an extra, it's essential. The biggest conversation you'll ever have about psoriasis won't be with a stranger. It'll be with yourself. The words you choose to describe yourself, to yourself, matter. Are you broken or are you resilient? Are you less than? Or are you more compassionate, more understanding because of what you've lived through? Healing begins when we choose new words. Healing begins when we give ourselves permission to feel and permission to hope. Isolation is one of the cruelest side effects of psoriasis. It can convince you that you're better off hiding, staying home, covering up, keeping quiet. But isolation feeds loneliness, and loneliness fuels depression. What many people don't realize is that mental health struggles with psoriasis are not a side issue. They are a core part of living with the disease. Ignoring them means ignoring a major part of the healing process. Living with psoriasis isn't just about managing symptoms. It's about managing emotions, relationships, and how we see ourselves. And that can be exhausting. But you are not alone. Your struggle is valid, and your story matters. Whether you're in a flare, in remission, or just trying to get through the day, know this: your skin does not define your strength. If you're struggling, reach out to a friend, to a support group, to a professional. Healing takes time, but it also takes support. Let's keep talking, keep connecting, and keep breaking the stigma around psoriasis and mental health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more support and real stories. And remember, you're more than your skin.